Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favourite lunches. I think half of the battle with making smart choices or healthier choices is actually having a few fresh ideas, so you're not repetitively having the same thing, which gets a bit boring, and also that real age-old problem of like you get to the Tesco's or Sainsbury's or wherever you shop and you've got to think about like 5 or 6 different dinners. It can sometimes get a little bit much. So today I'm going to show you how to make the Vietnamese spring rolls. This kit I actually got from Sainsbury's. It's really good, it's super quick and easy, and inside the kit you get your rice papers, your vermicelli noodles, if that's how you say it, is that right? Vermicelli rice noodles, and a dipping sauce. So let's get cooking. The first thing I always do is get the noodles on the go so they have a chance to cool down. They really don't take that long, and actually what I like to do also is just run some cold water through them. Ooh. I think they were literally on the hob for like 30 seconds. So now we're ready to start making our little spring rolls. I use the boiling water that I used for the noodles out of the kettle. You use this to wet your rice papers, and you might as well just keep the kettle with you because you're going to top it up every now and then. Another trick is to actually heat the plate that you're going to use to roll up the spring rolls, because if you put it onto like a cold surface, they get tacky really quickly. Okay, here we go. Get the prawns out. So you get your rice paper and you dip it in the boiling water. Just make sure you don't dip it for too long so it doesn't get too wet, but hot. And then when it's all wet, just give it a little second to dry out. So I always go with the flattest things first. So I get my cucumber, some carrot, a little bit of avocado, and then I'm gonna go with 2 prawns per roll. I'm probably gonna regret this and run out. And then you grab some noodles, pile them on. And I always think the trick is to roll the bottoms first. So that's your bottoms up, see, like that. And then this is when you start to roll your sides. So fold it over as much of the filling as you can, and then continue rolling up the spring roll until it's completely sealed. So it's pretty easy, let's carry on. There we go, super easy and actually pretty damn quick as well.